This video will help you set up your Giftpack account in just a few easy steps. First, navigate to our website, giftpack.ai. At the top right corner, click Sign Up to create the account. Here, you will need to select your job function from the drop-down list and click Next. Please specify the purpose of your future gifting campaign. You can select more than one option here. The final step would be filling out your first and last name, your work email, and answering a few questions below. Don't forget to agree with our terms and policies and hit the Activate button. In a few minutes, you will receive an email asking you to verify your email address and set your account password. Congrats! Now you can log in and start using our platform. Thank you for watching. For more useful guides, check our videos below.